Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1977th edition of Short Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, this video is coming at you on a Thursday, and that is August 8th, 2019. I actually am on vacation at the moment, but I've seen the markets coming off a bit. And I've seen some of the personalities out there and some of the traders in my chat room and a lot of the stuff I'm reading. And I think you need a video from me because I am the voice of reason. Please let me explain that futures, options, stocks, you name it, is a very, very risky game. You can lose way more than you had planned. You can lose more money than you've put in your trading account. You could end up divorced from your beautiful wife or husband because of these markets. So no matter what you do, please make sure that you put your stops in first and you know the risks. But why I stopped my vacation to show you what's going on is this. Traders, you've seen this chart in the past. What you're seeing here is the first round of China tariffs that were put on the market, and you see it cracked, right? It cracked 3,300 points. Then we rallied back up to put what's called a double top in, no tariffs, and we cracked 2,500 points, rallied up and cracked a bit more. Then we recovered, came back to the highs. Now watch what happens here. We reached the highest the market's ever been at this point, and boom, tariffs come out. We rally up to those highs for a double top and we drop. We go back to those highs again, and what happens? More tariffs come out. And what does the market do? It drops. But here's the important thing. They waited for the market to hit all-time highs before initiating tariffs, which means the drop will not be so dramatic. Once again, they waited for all-time highs before the tariffs, and the drop was not all that dramatic. Well, look what happened. The market rallied all the way back up, got past those previous two highs. We got an interest rate reduction, which is bullish, and then Trump put on more tariffs, which of course would be the counter, but this time it should drop even less than the last two times. Why? Because we've gotten an interest rate decrease with the round of tariffs. Now, if you look, the first round didn't top out the market, even though the naysayers came out and called the top. The double top did not top out the market, even though it was a deeper dip. The second round of tariffs did not top out our market, nor will the third, especially with Powell adding in the interest rate reduction. This is the voice of reason. I am telling you that that's what's going on right now. So unless we had a severe crack, got even lower than this low down here, and really continued on, this is nothing more than a market readjusting its price for the third round of tariffs. In fact, last night I got a buy signal in my E-mini S&P, but we also had a buy signal in gold, so we went with the gold instead. And once again, we had a great day. I'm glad you OMNIX took that gold trade. But I just wanted to let you know, for everyone out there screaming in your ear, the top is in, it's the end of the world. It didn't happen last time. It didn't happen the time after that or the time before that. So last time didn't end the market's life. The first one didn't end the market's life. The third round of tariffs with an interest rate reduction is not going to top this market out. Please be careful. If it does top out, of course, we'll start to trade it from the downside and we'll call it a bear market, but we're not in a bear market because all-time highs are simply right here. We had a pullback and it's already starting to try to gain its legs. Maybe it'll close that gap. So I'm not saying that the top absolutely 1,000% is not in. What I'm saying is I don't see a tariff round putting in the top of this market because my work shows me that that's not what happens. Couple that with the interest rate reduction and you should be in an area where sooner or later we're buyers of dips looking for new highs. Maybe not today, but that's what should come our way. Traders, thank you for tuning in. I'm still on vacation until Friday. I will see you cats in my trading room from time to time. If I feel like putting out a trade on Friday, I will, like today's trade, which worked well. But barring that, I'm going to see the Jets Giants tonight. I'm taking care of my wonderful daughter Natalie on vacation, and I'm enjoying myself. Please pay attention to what you just seen. Don't lose your heads. If the market is going to top, it will tell us. All right, traders, thank you for showing up. Once again, thank you for watching my videos. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. Remember to keep your emotions out of trading. I know that's not easy, especially in this environment, but if you put your stops in first and say this to yourselves every moment of the day that you get nervous, it might actually help. And you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Thank you, traders. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.